Hello, good morning, students. Welcome back to my channel Smart Codings. Today, I'm back again with another video, which provides you a complete solutions of the chapter arrays, which will be helpful for you to solve and understand the uh, types of questions which may come in the exams. Keeping all these things in mind, I have made this video which provides you a complete solutions. Before I start explaining the questions and answers, students, I request you to watch the video completely. If it is really useful for you, for your exam, for your understanding, do like it. Let me know through a comments in a through a comment in the YouTube comment sections. Subscribe it, share it with your friends, so that all might be aware of my videos for the latest updates. So without wasting much time, let's quickly start. As you can see, page number is given there, 219 to 220. Which of the following is the correct usage, right? So there are four options given. I have told you earlier also that array size cannot be negative. So this first one and third one is out. None will not be there. So the correct answer is int a 40. Array size can't be negative. Keep in mind. So correct answer is the second option. The next question is, which element is represented by A10? Right. A10 means that is that index number 10, that is subscript, that is 10, starting from 0 index. A10 means starting from 0 it is 11th it is. Start counting from 0 till 10, it is coming 11. So 11th is the correct answer here, right? A10 means 11. I hope this is clear. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Starting from 0 you count till 10. Okay, that is a 10th element will be 11th one. Now next question is question number 3. Cell numbers of a dimensional array are also known as subscripts. It is not called packet, it is not block, not compartments, it is known as subscripts. Okay, a dimensional array is also known as subscripted variable. A dimensional array, whether it is a one dimension array, this dimensional array, this is 1D array, I'm talking about 1D array, is also called subscripted variable. Dimensional array means suppose int a equal to 5, that is int a. Int a, that is the array variable name, is also called a subscripted variable. All these options will not be other three options will not work. The correct answer is subscripted variable. Keep in mind. Next, question number 5. An array element can be accessed through index number. Each element of an array has its own index number. All the elements can be accessed by an index number, so the correct answer is index number. Now question number 6. Indicate the error message which displays if the following statement is executed. Suppose an array of integer type is given that are having size 5, that is 5 elements are already there, 28 32 45 68 and 12 according to the question. Now there are three options there. It has insufficient cell, no, because already it has 5 cells there starting from 0 to 4, as array index start from 0. Array index out of bound, no, because 5 size is given there, 5 elements are there, no, it is not array index out of bound. Element exceeding cells, no. So none of these are suitable, so answer is none. None of these are correct, so answer is none. Now question number 7. The following statement having a this array given there, int code, the array variable name is no subscripted variable is this one code here, or the array variable name which is having 4 elements, 25 37 38 and 42. All these things are incorrect. This question number option number 2 3 and 4, first one is only correct, that is assign 37 to code 1 as array index start from 0. 0 is 25, 1 is 37, correct. So other three options you can check it here, students. Code 1, that is this one, is not 25. Code 3, that is 0 1 2 3 38, it is 1 0 1 2 3 42, it is 3, it is given 38 there, so it's wrong. Code 0 is 25, it's given 42, wrong. So first answer is correct. Now question number 8. The elements of array 50 are numbered as 0 to 49, correct. So total number of the array is 50, that 50 number element The index will be starting from 0 till 49. As you know, students, I have told you earlier that array index always start from 0. So 0 to 49 means it indicates array 50. Total element number of elements are 50. I hope this part is clear, students. Till question number 8. So these are basic conceptual questions which should be clear to you for exams. So any doubt, any difficulty in understanding, any problem you are facing, just comment it in the YouTube comment section. I want class to be interactive. I want session to be interactive so that it helps me to understand where the students are facing the problems. So these are basic conceptual questions on the fundamentals of an arrays. If the concepts on array, index number, elements, all these things are clear to you, so these are very easy to solve. Now next, question number 9. So let's go to the next question. Which of the following function finds the size of an array? M dot size of no, M dot elements of no, none, no. Only property of an array is length. So we can find the length, or that is the size of an array, by that M dot length function. That is not a function, actually it's a property of an array by which we can calculate the size of an array. Question number 10. A single dimension array contains n elements. Suppose a single dimension array, 1D array, contains n elements. What will be the last subscript? Last subscript total number of elements minus 1, that is n minus 1 is the correct answer. So this is what is about the tick the correct answer. That is part 1. Now let's go to the part 2. Give the output. Yes, you need to understand here how the output is derived. So let's get started. Int m is the array over here, that is the integer type having 4 elements. Fine. Now in the output statement, it is written that m1 plus, if it is single quote like this, one single quote here, one single quote here, it indicates a character. In Java, a character takes a memory 2 bytes. Keep in mind. So at m1, if it is a single quote like this, I will demonstrate with a practical example too. Don't worry. m1 is having a value 0, 1, that is 4. Okay, so 4, an integer, as it is integer type, it allocates 4 bytes of memory. So 4 into 4, 16. So this one will be 16. How? m1 at index m1, the element is 4, and you have to multiply it with 4 once again because integer is 4 bytes. So 4 into 4, 16. Correct? Similarly, m2 at 0, 1, 2, it has 6. 6 into 4, because integer type integer array takes 4 bytes memory. So 6 into 4, 24. So 24 plus 16 is 40. And in between there is a single quote character over here, no? That takes 2 bytes of memory. So 40 plus 2 is 42. If it is like this. But if it is like this string, like this means it has a space in between. So m1 is 4 space, then m2 is 6. Let's go back to the editor. Let's go back to the editor over here to demonstrate you. Just a minute. Let's go to the BlueJ over here. See, I have written the code for you. If it is space over here like this, so the output of the program will be like this. 4 and 6. In between there is a space. The more you increase the space over here, the space will be increased there also in the output. I hope this is clear to you. See, but if it is not double quote like this as a string, it is single like this. In that case, it is a character over here. So m1 takes 16, 4 into 4, 16. m2, that is 0, 1, 2, 6 into 4, 24. 16 plus 24 is 40, and this takes 2 bytes of memory, this space, this character. This denotes as a character in single quote. So it is 42. So to add it, you will get 42 as the answer over here. I hope this is clear to you. So keep in mind, students, whether it is like this single quote or a double quote. Double quote means it's a space. In between there is a space between these two elements, which is not given in the book. In the book it is given like this. Okay, now let's go back to the PPT once again. Here, question number 2 has int a equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. You can see here 23 is assigned to a0, correct? according to the first statement here. A0 equal 23, that means 23 is assigned to A0, that means 2 will be overlapped with 23, correct. Now A1, the value at A1, that is 4, is assigned to A3, that is 0 1 2 3. 8 will be replaced by 4, so this also executed. Now finally we are doing this one. The new array will be 23 4 6 4 10 according to the first two statement here. Now we add it C0, sorry, C equal to A0. At A0 what is the index? At A0 what is the element? That is 23, and at A1 it is 4, correct. So 23 plus 4 is 27. This is output. Is I will show you through the BlueJ editor once again. This is the code over here, as you can see. Now if I print the value of C over here, the output will be 27. I hope this is clear. Now let's go back to the next one. There is an array of integer size 5. As you can see, 0 to 4, that is 5 elements are assigned, 4 8 7 12 and 3. Now A2 plus 1, this implies A3 only. Suppose A2 plus 2, that means A4. That means at A3 what is the index? What is the element? At A3 index what is the element? 12, correct. So if the question is like this, A0 plus 1, that means 0 plus 1 is 1. That means A0 plus 1 means A1 only. At A1 what is the index? 8. Answer will be 8. But in this case answer will be 12. Let us check the editor. 12. This was the code. I hope this is clear to you. 2 plus 1 means A3. Now let us quickly go back here. The last question of the output section. A4 having these 4 elements 2 4 6 8. I equal to 0. 0 less than equal to 1, condition true. It will go inside the body of the loop. So I value was 0 now. So A0, at A0 what is the value? 2 plus 3 minus 0, that is 3. At A3 what is the value? 0 1 2 3 8. So 2 plus 8, that is 10. It will print 10 first. Then again it will go here in the loop. I plus plus, it is from 0 it will become I value 1. Second iteration. Now 1 less than equal to 1, condition true. Again it will go here. A1 is what value? 4. Second iteration, A1, that is 4 0 and 1. Here this is 1 at 1 index, value is element is 4 plus 3 minus 1, that is 2. That is at A2, that is 6. So 4 plus 6 is 10. So it will not be printed in the side over here because it is print ln is there. So it will print down. So 10 is the output. I hope this is clear, students. If any doubt, still do comment it. Try to run it in your machine. Try to dry run it in your copy. Manually try to dry run it to understand the output of the small codes or small snippets. I will show you the output of this. This was the code given in the question. So let us right click on this main method, press enter. 10 is the output. I hope this is clear, students. If any difficulty in understanding still, kindly comment me. Make the session interactive. I'm making these videos to help you in this COVID-19 situation, so that maximum students, maximum beginners in Java can solve this, can it be helpful for them to understand this type of questions may come in ICSE board or in for the beginners too, or for any interview level questions. For this, I've taken the initiative to make a video through this YouTube platform to help my students, dear students. I request you to like it, share it, subscribe it, and comment it. How was the video? Comment it. How was the video? Happy learning with smart codings. The next video tutorial, I'll be giving the complete solution part 2, which contains various other questions, including the programming part. Till the time, take care. Thank you.